Hardest trivia of all time. What is the primary function of a protein in living organisms? B. Cellular communication. Which of the following is an example of a nucleic acid? B. DNA. What is the basic unit of carbohydrates? B. Monosaccharides. Which of the following is a function of lipids in living organisms? B. Forming cell membranes. What is the function of an enzyme in a biological reaction? A. Speeding up the reaction.